Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the red chutney. Soak 15 Kashmiri red chilies in hot water for 1 hour. Half teaspoon of garlic pods. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. And salt to your taste. Let's transfer all these ingredients to a jar and grind it to a coarse mixture. So I'm transferring the Kashmiri red chilies, which are soaked for about an hour. So you can add the remaining ingredients here. This chili paste or the red chili chutney can be kept in the refrigerator for about 1 week and you can use it accordingly. I'm adding half teaspoon of the cumin powder. So you can use this with dosa, idli or any other South Indian rotis or the North Indian parota or the chapati. I just added the garlic pods here, which are about half teaspoon. Add salt according to your taste. I'm adding here about half teaspoon of salt. The Kashmiri chilies are not too spicy, so it balances the flavor. So you can just grind it to a coarse mixture. I've grinded it. Now the red chili chutney is ready. Subscribe to my channel.